Why does your YouTube channel seem frozen in time, with no new subscribers and stagnant view counts? This situation can be frustrating, especially when you're pouring your heart into creating content. So how can you thaw your frozen YouTube channel and get it growing again? Let's get started. The first step towards reviving your channel is analyzing your analytics. YouTube provides a wealth of data about your viewership, from demographic information to viewer behavior. Understand which of your content resonates with your audience and where improvements are needed. Next, ensure you're providing consistent content. Establish a regular upload schedule that your viewers can look forward to. Consistency not only helps in maintaining viewer interest, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility. Moving on to the next step, crafting engaging thumbnails and titles. These are the first things viewers see when they come across your videos. Make them as attractive and click-worthy as possible to pull in viewers. Another important aspect is SEO optimization. Optimize your video descriptions and tags with search engine-friendly terms. This can increase your content's discoverability, making it easier for potential viewers to find your videos. Interaction with your audience is also key. Respond to comments, consider viewer suggestions, and create a sense of community around your channel. This not only makes your channel more lively, but also builds a loyal viewer base. Additionally, consider collaborating with other popular creators. This can expand your audience, bring new subscribers, and give a fresh perspective to your content. Finally, don't forget about social media promotion. Promote your videos on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This can significantly broaden your audience base. In conclusion, if you want to thaw your frozen YouTube channel, follow these tips. And if you found this video helpful, show your appreciation by hitting the like button, sharing it with others, and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and happy creating.